I'm having a little bit of pre-dinner. Nakita ko siya so many times sa TikTok. And medyo na-curious lang ako, but I'll share with you my thoughts after this. So I got the balut. Yeah, meron siya from TikTok shop. This one is spicy, this one is five spice. How they ingest the flavors, that's what I don't know, which is what makes it a little bit sketchy for me. Kaya hindi ko rin siya ma-recommend. Pero natakam kasi ako and sobrang dalang lang dumaan ng balut dito sa amin. Hindi din ako makakita sa palengke namin nung iluluto pa siya. Kasi mag-iwan nandoon yun. Nakapag-stock ako, tapos ako na lang nagluluto. So it's very convenient. Pero dahil nga hindi ako makakita, so bumili ako nito and tinry ko siya. So, luto na siya and lalagyan mo lang siya ng hot water if you want to eat it. Tapos, maliit lang siya. Hindi siya katulad ng mga balut natin. Ayan, oh. Ganyan lang siya kaliit. It's the palm of my hand. It's a little bit small, tapos it's a little bit brown. Bakit sketchy siya for me? Because I think this is from China, but I mean, not everything that comes from China is sketchy. But this one, I don't know how they ingest the flavors. I mean, doesn't it make you wonder? So parang na-curious lang ako. I mean, if I had the choice, bibili pa rin ako ng mga balot na local natin. Kailangan mo pang iluto or bibilin mo sa mga magbabalot. I mean, magaling siya, okay? Pero, ayun, no, paano nila siya nagawang spicy? And also yung broth niya, sobrang siyang malasa. Parang meron na siyang timpla. So, di ba? Ano nila nagawa yun? Nakakatakot isipin. First and last ko na siyang bilhin kasi nga, hindi ko alam paano nila ginagawa. Nalagyan nila ng flavor, di ba? Natatakam lang talaga ako, tapos hindi dumadaan yung nagbabalat sa amin. So, ayun siya, maliit lang. Ayun lang siya. I love this vinegar, by the way. It's achara vinegar. So, ano siya? Sweet, sour, and spicy. And then, I'll top it with puting chili garlic. It's so good. Okay, cheers. Mhm. Don't get me wrong, it's really good, but it just makes you wonder about the flavor, right? Like, where did it come from? Tapos, ang dami niyang sabaw. This is it. Cheers! Yun lang, bye.